It's very easy how to install and use the Hippoo for your WooCommerce shop, and I will show you how. Just click on the Play Store on your Android phone and search for the Hippoo. Don't forget it's double O, like this. And then you can see Hippoo WooCommerce admin on the Play Store. Just click or tap on the install. It takes a few minutes to install. Let's wait for it. And already Hippoo install on your phone. Need to take a few steps to connect Hippoo to your shop. First of all, you need to put your website address here. In my case, I used my test website, like let's call it woohouse.io. There is two ways to install and connect the Hippoo on your shop. First of all, you can use the auto connect, and you can click on the auto connect to your shop, and Hippoo give an error message to you, which means you need to install the Hippoo plugin on your shop. Just click on the install plugin, and then use your website credential. You will redirect to the WooCommerce repository to install the plugin. Click on install and active. So yes, now the plugin is installed and we're ready to go and connect the application to your shop. Just click on the auto connect again and click approve, and all done. Now Hippoo connected to your shop and you can enjoy all the features the Hippoo has and manage your inventory, orders, and so forth.